when the new AMG C43 just launched at 443,000 plus. Here I want to intro the best value AMG C43 to you at only 189,800, the cheapest and the most value C43 in Johor. Why I say this is the best value? You save more than 230,000 from this car. Price for this car when new is 400,000. This car was bought new and you will be the second of this pre-love. You can even choose your favorite number plate, as the current number plate will be taken back by the first owner. You guys must be wondering why sell such good condition cars, as the owner already booked himself for another 3 C43 again. The current mileage for this car is only at 72,000 plus, and we can guarantee to you this car is accident free. Mercedes-Benz C43 is for car enthusiasts who look into every aspect of his or her driving section. This model is famous with its M276 3-liter V6 engine, and compared to others Germany mark, this is the best reliability among those. When you buy a car from Jeff, unlimited support, knowledge and assistance will be provided. Jeff is actively participating in motoring events and keep you updated and support to your loved car.